Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Realme GT Neo 2. Okay, for that we will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. So if you press now these both buttons just for short together, then you will have a screenshot. And after you can see directly the preview, or you can send the screenshot directly to your friends with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button, just for short together, and you will have a screenshot. If you tap now here on the preview, you're also able to edit it. Maybe you can just crop a part here with the corners. If you want to have the Google bar, very useful for pictures from a website and so on, if you just want to have the picture. Very nice. And also if you go here on Doodle, you can highlight something. Now you have a pen and can highlight something or draw something inside as you want. And if you're ready with it, just go here on that symbol and it will be part of our gallery. Yeah, and as I said, there's another way to take a screenshot, and for that you need just 3 fingers, slide them down the screen and we will have a screenshot as well. So one more time, just take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and you will have a screenshot as well. And there's another way with 3 fingers as well to have a screenshot. So just put your fingers on the screen and you can mark now something if you hold your fingers on the screen, and if you leave them, you have that part already edited and cropped. Of course, you can later arrange it as well again, and so you're directly in the editing mode with that if you just want to have a part of the screen. Okay, and you can also make a scroll shot here with that phone. So let's go here to the settings, because then we have a longer list here. If I want to make a scroll shot, I just go on the just make a screenshot, maybe with the buttons here, with the power button and the volume down button. And then I have here the opportunity to scroll, and then it will make the scroll shot. So a scroll shot is a longer screenshot, as you can see, and I can interrupt it at any time if I go on done. And it will be part now of our gallery if I confirm here again. And there's another way to have a scroll shot. So for that we can use again 3 fingers. So just hold them here on the screen, and if you see that, just swipe down and then you will make a scroll shot as well. Requires a bit training, but works as well. So just confirm always to have the scroll shot after. Yeah, where to find the screenshots and scroll shots and so on after, of course, here at the gallery, the symbol here with the mountains or the triangles. And as you can see, I had already some tries here. And what is very nice here at the category albums, you will have an own folder just for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.